Indo-Naga Peace Talk ki waroisin purakpada NACN IM na tonganba firal amadi Constitution pinaba demand taubada Indian lengakna yakhidabana kari thokadabano haibada aruba oiri haina Dimapurda leiriba Newmai News Network ki editor Witobo Newmai na phongdorakli Telephone ki khutangda Impact News ki editor in chief Rupachandra Yumnamga Witobo Newmaiga akhanna wari sanabada mahakna October 18 gi manungda Peace Talk loisangani haibagi chap chaba wafam official oina phongdokpadi leite haina phongdorakli
Government of India ga tongan ba khulai paiba musung pai de loop singa sanari ba wari si Prime Minister tha ahum manung dal wasilu haibagi deadline ji 31st October yoksal lakpa sida Nagaland da hojik kari phibam le
deadline haiba wahi che ko kamaina lakhibno haibadi Yaman tadre ba July gi 26 ta NACN ga Government of India na unakibda Government of India gi interlocutor RN Ravi na my high evening, the Prime Minister expressed a desire to conclude the Naga Peace Talk within 3 months. Now, given this point of time, the other report of the last October 31 high evening. Now, the NACN chairman, Q Taku, found this expression as an ultimatum to the Naga, and the same thing, Odiki, NACN, the associate launcher, Piek Muibansu, an ultimatum to the Naga and high evening. Although the recently Aryan Rabina, a few days like Magi, President Nenama Kopoda, the Naga peace talks will be concluded within the stipulated time. None of the parties have mentioned October 31. I mentioned clearly, specifically mentioned today. Although Sida, when you're reading the October 31, although from the October 31 and specifically or officially mentioned over the labor Uhide. Although Sida Yara Odiki NACN the flag and constitution in Maram Werega Ziki Toxi Ziki Hadlama Hadi Wegi Sida difference Odiki Toxi between the NACN the Government of India Gidi Kampu in Kamsana. Kamai Toba is the now the Nagas are holding their breath. Things are very uncertain and the Kupurino had to do Bahasa Yamna.
Karigumba conclusion amakak porakpa yabagi film di labra aduga loinana ahogi conclusion porakpada karigumba NACN IM yaudраbasu atai mayam siga tawraba yai habagi wafma thorai basi karai bhawa masi oitopa yagadoribna
security gi da hairaga security adu atani haina social media da o ke reporter tori de physically koi ublekte sumba security gi lokatpa adu ata have change amasulate everything is still normal we regard to the security aspect although Karigumba, what we generally believe is without the NACN IM, Government of India, the agreement or they may not enter into any agreement because the NACN IM, the Karigumba, Moina, Highline Torba, or something which, or overlook I think there will be a problem. Problem in the sense, NACN IMC is a organized and the largest group among the Naga political groups. Aduna, because they are quite influential and they're quite powerful, they're well organized and Aduna and the government of India obviously they are aware of all this and having aware of all this, we say NACN was highlighting a group agreement entered over the